It's the small mends that count. Look, I've been putting this off. It's come undone, it's unravelling. I chopped the stitches off. Look, so I'm going to fix this. But I have to fix this pocket in a hurry because I'm going out. But I'm also going to have to do this one where the same thing is happening again. I have to even it up. Choose the colour that you want. I don't want to do brown. I think it'll be boring. And these are the sorts of colours I have lying around. They're not really me. I wear a lot of autumn colours, so we'll stick with this. Now, 6 thread yarn. I know I'm going to use 3, so I shall divide it. Thread my needle and get going. I've secured my thread, my 3 embroidery threads on the inside there. Now what's really important is that I do a stretchy stitch. This has got spandex in it. It's where I keep my phone, which is why probably it happened in the first place. So I'm just going to make up a stitch, but we know that stretch stitches have to be a sort of backstitch version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go across down to the bottom section. There'll be a floaty thread, but I'm going to quite like that there. Do another stitch. And remember, I'm going out in 10 minutes to walk the dog. And my pockets are coming apart. So there we are. You can make up any stitches you want for mending. And as long as you do it with confidence, nobody cares. There we are. Now I'm catching both layers. I'll just do this one and then show you how it will work stretch-wise. There we are. So I think it's pretty good. I'm going to finish it off. So I'm almost all the way across, and more by accident than design, I'm going to finish with this stitch going up to the top of the pocket again. So I've caught it all the way along the bottom and the top, so it'll lie flat now and won't come undone with my phone. And I'll take it through to the back, the stitch through to the back, and then finish off here. 1, 2, 3. This took minutes. I've been putting it off for weeks and weeks. It just got worse. Now let's move on to the other side. The other side looks quite neat, but I'm going to unpick it and stitch that as well, because you have to have even pockets, I think. Otherwise it looks like a mend and not like a design feature. So I'll show you when I finish both. So there we are. Just a quick few stitches there, and through there they stretch. It keeps the fabric intact. Look, you can see I didn't get it all there, but it won't unravel anymore. And I can go off, wear these trousers again. I did procrastinate. Don't procrastinate.